On this video today, I'm going to show you step by step on how to make money with affiliate marketing without investing money and without any experience. This method is beginner friendly, and the best part is that you can do it wherever you are in the world. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you the product that you can promote and the traffic source that you can use to get people to buy the product for you to earn money. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. First step is that you have to join an affiliate network. You can join ClickBank, you can join Digistore24, you can join Warrior Plus, or any affiliate network that you know. Once you join, what you have to do is that you have to find a product to promote. In this case, I'm using Digistore24. So what you have to do is that you have to click right here, Marketplace, so that you can find products to promote. Once you click on the Marketplace, you're going to see a page like this. As I scroll, you can see these are products that you can promote. You can see a whole lot of different offers that you can promote to make money from home. Most of these products, the commission rate is very high. You can see this one, for example, you're going to be earning $149.93 per every sale that you get. There are many of them, so you can select any product that you want on this platform so that you can promote it to make money from home. You can see a whole lot of different products that you can promote. If you want a specific category of products, what you have to do is that you have to come right here, click on digital products. Once you click on it, you can select any category that you want. You can see under animals and pets, they have about 21 different products that you can select to promote. Under betting system, they have 6 products. Under business and investment, they have about 89 products. So any kind of product that you want, you can find it on this platform to promote. You can see a whole lot of different categories of products that you can promote. If you want to make sales, what you have to do is that you have to get to know the audience. What kind of products are they interested in? You have to know your audience before you select a product to promote. You don't have to select a product and look for audience. You have to get the audience and then come on Digistore24 or any affiliate network that you know. Select a product that your audience wants. Once you select a product, anytime you promote it to them, they are going to make a purchase for you to earn money. In this video, what I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to be promoting a product that helps people to manifest money. This is the product that I want to promote. It is a supplement that helps people to manifest money. You can see the card conversion rate is very high. It is 20%. You can see it right here, meaning if you promote it, you are likely going to make a sale. Now what you have to do is that you have to click on promote. Now once you click on it, you can be able to see other details of the product. You can see these are some of the details of the product. Now what you have to do is that you have to look at the landing page of the product. So click right here, sales page. Once you click on the sales page, you can see secret 30-second methods, open a mystical gateway inside of you and unlock unlimited abundance and prosperity. So it is a product that helps people to manifest money. You can see they have a video that your potential visitors have to watch before they can decide to purchase the product. You can see it is a simple landing page. You can see some of the details on the landing page. You can see the price. They have $69 per bottle, $49 per bottle, $59 per bottle. So the price depends on the package that your potential visitors choose. Any of them that they choose and make a purchase, you're going to be earning a commission. You can see everything in the landing page. Once you're able to see the landing page, the next step is that you have to begin promoting it. So you can click right here, copy your promo link. Once you copy it, you can be able to promote the product and then get people to purchase it. In this case, what we are going to be doing is that we are going to build a landing page. We are not going to be promoting a direct link. We want to build a landing page so that we can get people to click on the link to our landing page before they get access to the product. So you have to build a simple landing page so that you can promote the product. To build a landing page, you have to search for site.google.com. Search for site.google.com. Once you search for it, you are going to see a page like this. You can see Google site. Click on it so that you can be able to create a simple landing page. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. Click on blank site. Once you click on blank site, now what you have to do is that you have to delete the header. So click on this icon so that it will be deleted. Once you delete it, the next step is that you have to write some text right here. So click right here, text box. Once you click on text box, you can write any catchy title that will get people to click on your affiliate link. In this case, I'm going to come back on the product landing page, highlight and copy this pop-up message. Highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you're going to come back on your landing page, paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you have to increase the font size. You can increase it to any number that you want. Let's put it 24. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, let's change the color of this text. So let's make it red. You can select red. As you can see, that has been done. Now once that is done, you have to come back on the landing page of the product. Once you come back on the landing page, what we are going to do is that we are going to take a screenshot of this image. We want to take a screenshot of the image so that we can use it on our landing page. So let's screenshot this image. Take a screenshot of it. Let's screenshot of it. Take a screenshot of it. Once you highlight the image, click right here, save, so that you can save the image onto your device. Once you save the image onto your device, click right here, image. Once you click on image, select upload. Once you click on it, select your image, click on open. As you can see, that has been done. This is the image. Let's make it large. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, let's position it well. As you can see, that has been done. Once you have your image, the next step is that you have to insert your affiliate link right here, so that when people click on the image to watch the video, they can be directed to the product. So you have to come back on Digistore24. Once you come back, click on copy promo link. Once that is done, you have to come back on your landing page. Once you highlight the image, click on this icon here, insert link. Once you click on it, you have to paste your affiliate link right here. Click on apply. As you can see, that has been done. So anytime your visitors click on the image, they are going to be directed to the product through your affiliate link. Once that is done, you can also type a call to action right here. So click on text box. Once you click on text box, you have to type your call to action right here. Once you type your call to action, highlight it. Once you highlight it, you can center the text. So click on the alignment. Let's center it. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can increase the font size of your call to action. So increase it. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can change the font style. So select any font style that you want. You can select any of them that you want. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to insert your affiliate link right here. So click on this icon. Once you click on it, you have to paste your affiliate link right here. Click on apply. As you can see, that has been done. Now once you have your landing page, the next step is that you have to publish it and then promote it. So click right here, publish. Once you click on publish, give a name to your landing page. So you can type something like abundance 1. Just type it like this, abundance 123, something like this. Once the web address is available, click right here, publish. As you can see, that has been done. Once you publish it, you can preview your landing page. So click right here, preview. Once you click on preview, you are going to see a page like this. As you can see, this is how it is going to appear on desktop. You can see when you come on tablet, this is how it is going to appear on tablet. On mobile, this is how it is going to appear. You can see it is a very nice landing page. It is mobile responsive, so this is a good landing page. To view your published landing page, click right here. Once you click on it, select view published site. Once you click on it, you'll be able to see your landing page. You can see this is your landing page. Now what you have to do is that you have to find a traffic source whereby you can get people to view this landing page, and then click on your affiliate link so that they can purchase the product for you to make money. There are a lot of traffic sources that you can use, but in this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you a free traffic source that you can use to get people to view this landing page and then make a purchase for you to earn money. The traffic source that we are going to be using today is aminoapps.com. Amino Apps is a social media platform where you can find different groups to join. You can see these are groups that you can join. You can see this group right here. The members are over 4,000. You can see this one, the members are over 11,000, and many others. So any group that is related to the offer that you are promoting, you can join. You can see the groups, there are many of them. So any kind of group that you want, you can join. You can see a whole lot of different groups. You can see this group right here. The members are over 130,000. You can see it right here. So any group that you want, just select it and then join. In this case, we are going to select this group right here, minimalism. The group has over 52,000 members. So when you promote an offer on this platform, you are going to be getting many people who will click on it and then purchase the product. So click on the group so that you can join. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. If you are new, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, join now. Once you click on join now, you become a member of the group. But because I'm a member, that is why you are seeing this. So once you become a member now, what you have to do is that you have to create a post. So click right here, create post. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. Now what you have to do is that you have to write a post that will get people to read it, and then click on your affiliate link. So you have to type a title and then the body of your message. You can use ChatGPT to write an article for you. So what you have to do is that you have to come on ChatGPT. Once you come on ChatGPT, you can ask ChatGPT to write an article for you so that you can publish it onto the platform. In this case, you can see this is my article. So what you have to do is that you have to highlight and then copy the title of your article. Once you highlight and copy it, you're going to come back, paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to paste the body of your article right here. So you have to come back, highlight and copy the body of your message. Just highlight and copy everything, highlight and copy everything. Once you highlight and copy everything, paste it right here. As you can see, this is your article. You can see everything. Now what you have to do is that you have to insert your affiliate link so that you can get people to click on it and then purchase the product. You can insert your affiliate link in any part of the article that you want. For example, let's paste it right here. So let's type a call to action right here. Let's type something like discover how to manifest abundance now. Discover how to manifest abundance now. Just type a call to action like this, or you can type a different call to action. Any call to action that you type and get people to click on it, you can insert it in your article. In this case, this is my call to action. Once you have your call to action, you're going to come back on your landing page, click on copy publish site link. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. Click on copy link so that you can copy the link to your landing page. Once you copy it, you're going to highlight your call to action and then click on add a link. Once you click on it, paste the link to your landing page right here. Once that is done, you can see your link has been inserted. So now what you have to do is that you have to copy your call to action, highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to paste it in any part of the article that you want. Just paste it in any part of the article that you want. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can paste it in many parts of the article. So let's paste it at the bottom. As you can see, that has been done. Now once that is done, the next step is that you have to publish your article so that you can get people to read it and then click on your affiliate link. So click right here, publish, so that you can publish your article. Once you click on it, you have to wait for some time so that your article can be published onto the website. As you can see, the article has been published. You can see a moment ago. So your article is now live onto the group. You are going to be getting people who will click on it and then purchase the product. You can see this is your affiliate link. You can see it right here. This is your affiliate link. So when people click on it, they are going to be directed to the product so that they can make a purchase for you to earn money. You can see your call to actions right here. As you can see on SimilarWeb, Amino Apps gets up to 10 million visits per month. You can see it gets up to 10.7 million visits every month. So you are going to be getting a lot of traffic to your affiliate link. You can see these are the top countries: United States, Brazil, Mexico, Russia. You can see Peru. These are the top countries where the website is getting traffic. So make sure you keep on publishing content onto the platform. Keep on publishing content onto different groups so that you can get many people to click on your affiliate link and then make a purchase for you to make money. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.